Have you ever wondered how to finance house flips? Today, we're diving into that subject. House flipping is all about buying low, renovating smart, and selling high. But it's not without its financial risks, particularly for newcomers to the game. It's a venture that demands more than the cost of acquisition, with expenses like renovations, property taxes, utilities, and insurance adding to the tally. Understanding the financial aspects of house flipping is crucial to avoid pitfalls and maximize profits. You might be surprised to know that getting started in house flipping without cash is challenging. Indeed, lenders often see house flipping as a riskier investment. Enter hard money loans. These loans, offered by private investors or companies, are secured by the property itself. They're characterized by short durations, high interest rates, and closing costs. Hard money lenders can be a lifeline for flippers, but it's important to understand the terms. Choosing the right lender is a critical step in your house flipping journey. You have options both online and offline. Online lenders like Lima One Capital and Kiavi offer hard money loans, each with their own rates and fees. Meanwhile, offline lenders can be found through local real estate associations, investors, and agents. Remember, the right lender for you will evaluate the strength of your deal and your reliability as a flipper. Let's summarize what we've learned about financing house flips. We've uncovered the financial nuances of house flipping, explored the crucial role of loans, and emphasized the importance of aligning with the right lender. These are key to successfully flipping houses. With this knowledge, you are now better equipped to navigate the financial landscape of house flipping. Good luck on your journey.